Welcome to Arabic Learning Series, Part 5. Today we'll explore essential vocabulary with pictures. We are learning Arabic from scratch, step by step. Let's start by understanding what nouns are. In Arabic, we call nouns al-isma. Nouns are words that name people, places, and things. In Arabic, nouns have two important forms: masculine, which we call muzakkar, and feminine, which we call mu'annath. Today we'll learn many essential Arabic vocabulary words with pictures. Each word includes Arabic script, pronunciation, and English meaning. Now let's learn family members. In Arabic, we say
أفراد العائلة.
First, let's learn father. In Arabic, father is called
أب.
Next, mother. In Arabic, mother is
أم.
Now, brother. In Arabic, brother is
أخ.
and sister. In Arabic, sister is ukht. And grandmother. In Arabic, grandmother is jadda. Finally, grandfather. In Arabic, grandfather is jad. Let's learn some body parts. In Arabic, we say
أجزاء الجسم.
Today we learn head. In Arabic, head is ras. Next is eye. In Arabic, eye is called.
عين.
Next is nose. In Arabic, nose is called.
أنف.
And mouth. In Arabic, mouth is.
فم.
And hand. And hand is called.
يد.
And foot. In Arabic, foot is called.
قدم.
And ear. In Arabic, ear is.
أذن.
And arm. In Arabic, arm is zira. And leg. In Arabic, leg is.
رجل.
And knee. In Arabic, knee is rukba. You've learned many essential Arabic words with pictures today. You can now identify family members in Arabic. You know basic body parts. Keep practicing these words every day. Soon you'll be ready for part 6 of our series. Goodbye and see you next time.